This is deeply concerning. Finding these videos on TikTok at late night, finding these people trying to put through these cars for these prices and giving themselves out to be mid-met motors, as Uncle Bobby, trying to put themselves through as a legitimate seller, which they obviously aren't. Look at this WhatsApp. You can see this. They're saying they mid-met motors, and they actually look like screenshots from the website there. Uncle Bobby's got better taste than this, guys. And also, I don't think he even knows Ian. Don't fall for this scam, guys. Please. I see a lot of comments on these videos. Please do not fall for these scams. If you come across these videos, please leave a comment or a link to this video in the comments.